you're not alone. Monthly maintenance charges, ATM fees, international transaction costs, the list goes on. But what if there was a new kind of bank account that broke the mold, offering innovative features and ditching the unnecessary fees? Enter Bitwala, a revolutionary platform that lets you manage your finances and crypto all in one place. Now, the question on everyone's mind, how much does the Bitwala card cost? Fear not, financially savvy friends, because that's exactly what we'll be diving into today's video. But before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Bitwala isn't just your average bank account. It's a game changer for those who want to embrace the future of finance. You can store your euros alongside your Bitcoin and Ethereum, all under one secure roof. Plus, Bitwala offers a nifty virtual IBAN, allowing you to receive and send traditional fiat currency with ease. Okay, enough with the hype. Tell me about the card. All right, getting to the good stuff now. Here's the breakdown on Bitwala's card fees. The good news, there's no monthly fee for holding a Bitwala account, which is a major plus compared to traditional banks. The card itself, here's where things get interesting. Bitwala offers two card options, virtual and physical. The virtual card comes in handy for online transactions and costs a one-time fee of €5. For those who prefer the tangible plastic, the physical card is available for €10. But wait, there's more. While the card issuance fee is a one-time cost, there are a few other things to consider. Topping up your card, when you load your Bitwala card with euros, a 0.5% fee applies, with a minimum charge of €1. This means it's more cost-effective to top up with larger amounts at once. SEPA payments, sending euros through SEPA, single euro payments area, also incurs a 0.5% fee, with the same €1 minimum. Here's the bottom line. Bitwala offers a fantastic alternative to traditional banking, especially if you're into crypto and appreciate a modern approach to finance. The card issuance fees are reasonable, especially considering the virtual option and the lack of monthly account charges. However, those pesky 0.5% fees for topping up and SEPA payments can add up over time, so keep that in mind when budgeting. The final verdict. Bitwala is a solid choice for those seeking a fee-conscious and innovative banking experience. If you're a crypto enthusiast who wants to streamline your finances, Bitwala is definitely worth checking out. Just be mindful of those top-up and SEPA fees to make the most of your Bitwala experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.